technically kita sa one free throw for Onigos. For them, bang bang. First from Ongan. Okay, in the center now is Taliso and Thomas. Thomas. Balls of Taliso. Bola na Onigos. Na Onigos. Arsenal. Thomas, bibigay kay Ongan for three. Rebound by Marquisano. Marquisano tuloy-tuloy. Good foul. Number 71, top 4. My God. Hindi pa na naka-isang minuto, nag-foul ka na agad. May nakad ka. 1 minute. Nag-fair doon sa bawat. Marquisano, basket. Last by Marquisano. 2 points. There's the 4. Pinaabangan din. There is basket from Good Time. Pastor, bibigay kay Haroy! We have a foul called by Good Time. That is your first personal foul and 2 team fouls. Isa pa lang. Top 4 down na. Haroy! Three, all three is 4. May Donners will get top 4. Top 4 dapat ang bash. To Marquisano. Haroy! Nabitaw na haroy sa action. Say it. 10 seconds to shoot. Haroy! Whatever, bigay kay Pastor. Marquisano. Bang bang. 8 minutes and 7 seconds may down 5-3. Let's go. Lamang ang band. Leader is Thomas. Dere-diretso si Ongan. Yes, basket from Ongan. All 5. 8 minutes remaining time. I'm not sure. Bibigay kay Pastor. 40 seconds. Kaliso. Offensive foul. Grabe iso. Grabe. Nawala yung answer na eh. Foul.
Idol ko ginikyan na.
Foul sa jersey number 3. Si Tyson. Okay. May big sa dad. Okay. Pili ka mo na yan kung ang dahon o gabi. Here is Chidoro. Bibigyan ka ng Bang! 7 minutes and 18 seconds to make it 7-5 and then score na wala makakakala. Ito si Apache. Galizo na. 10 seconds. Ongan! Bang bang. 9-5. Apat ang labang. There is Apache to Galizo. 10 seconds. Oh, weird foul. Number 10, that is Tomas. Pushing foul. Nasarakan pa ni Tomas to. Ikabiso. Okay guys, yeah.
Idol, gini kaya nas tayo sangit.
Ay, kung ito sa isunod sa pitikan.
There is Tomas to Tampor.
Piling ano kaya?
Tampor. 14 seconds to go. Ibigay good time. Rebound by Calisto. Ibigay kay Amasio. Martisano, Amasio. No basket. Rebound by good time. Okay, number 77. That is Amasio. Tampor. 10 seconds shot clock. Chidoro. Bibigay kay Tampor. 5 seconds to shoot. Chidoro will read the basket. Same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. 13 seconds. Bibigay kay... Ay! There's no hurry. Hurry to Pasoch. Bang bang. 2-point basket from Pastor. The score now is 9-8. 1-point lead all on Eagles. 14 seconds shot clock. Tampor. Bibigay kay Tomas. Chidoro. Bang bang. 5 minutes and 10 seconds remaining time. 11-8 is the score. There is a machine. Lots of change. Calizo. Calizo, bibigay doon kay Pastor. 5 seconds to shoot. Marquisano. 24 seconds. Four minutes, 41, 14 seconds. Pastor, Marquisano, basket. 10, 11. Second shot clock. Tampor. Ay! Dami Marquisano. There's no Marquisano. Bibigay kay Pastor. Marquisano, Amasio. Papasok sa Amasio, bibigay ka. Hello! Wow. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Top 4. Basket, top 4. Time out, bad ball. 3 minutes, 48 seconds, remaining done. 30-10 is on the score. Time out, start. Pastor, bibigay ka. Pastor for 3. Chidoro, rebound. Ugan! Bang down. 15-10 is our score. Dimana? There is Harui. Harui. Basket si Harui. There it is. Top 4. Yes, basket si top 4. Substitution. Sabando, JJ. There is now back again. Marquisano. Pastor, 14 seconds to shoot. 4-3. Top 2 tomorrow. Top 4. We have a foul. It's a blocking foul from number 77. That is your second personal foul. Siguro. Ongga, bibigay kay Guntan. Best rebound kay Ongga. Bibigay kay... 8 seconds na ka! Talasyo. Bibigay kay Sabado. Sabado again. Basket. 17-14 ang nag-score, tatlong mga Onigos. Yung sige takbo. Bibigay. Doon kay Guntan. Yes, basket. Good time. 2 minutes and 4 seconds to make time finish the first quarter of this game between Manuel and Onigos. 40 seconds shot clock. Pastor. Tira si Pastor for 3. Sabado. Nakuha ni Ongga. Bibigay kay Tambor against Marquisano. Natin iba pasara. Tira Tambor. Yes, hindi na foul si Tambor. Palacio this time. 21-14. Remaining time 1 minute and 26 seconds. Shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Calizo. Nakaporno. Bibigay kay Marquisano. 10 seconds. We have a travel violation call by Ref Paulino ang may katig na si Kiana sa February 14.
Kamu sa 14.
1 minute, 50 seconds. Remaining time. Here's Tambor, 14 second shot clock. Tambor, number 4, Chudoro, number 5. Yes, napakalamambing ng tira ni Chudoro. 23-14 and 14 seconds shot. Pastor to Sabado. 8 seconds to shoot. Calizo, last ball. Pastor. 30 seconds remaining time. Ongga, bibigay kay Chidoro. Chidoro against Marquisano. Oh, iniwasan si Marquisano. Basketball. Last 18 seconds. No more shot clock. 15. Marquisano, papasok sa Marquisano. 1. Good time. Bibigay. Last 3 seconds. Tapos. And that is what the end of first quarter. 25-14 is our score, and that is still in favor for the team of Onigos. SK Papa 2026 ay magbago